What's up? My name's John. This is JJ's videos. Posted a couple videos. Hope you guys like. We got a certain friend on here called Jordan Haley. You've already eaten them?
Oh man, yeah, sure.
Okay. What we're gonna do here is Jordan's gonna try to eat his spaghetti, and his raviolis as fast as he can. Right? No matter how much. Okay. So we're gonna get this started. Jordan, sit down here. We're gonna get this started. Ready? Set? Go! Oh my god, dude. Come on, eat them faster. Faster, man. Use that bulky body. Come on. Oh god. Come on, eat it. No, eat it faster. Faster. Dude, that only took him 35 seconds.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
it's 35, right? Started over 4. Almost 35 seconds. Oh, about 40. That was pretty crazy, guys. Well, that's from DJ's videos. Hope you liked that. Peace. Peace.